I didn't get a chance to tell you. I didn't get a chance to tell you. The book will be published next month. The book will be published next month. The team will be coached by a professional. The team will be coached by a professional. The house is cleaned by my mom. The house is cleaned by my mom. The car was stolen from the parking. The car was stolen from the parking. Can I go first? Can I go first? I will withdraw money. I will withdraw money. What happened to your eyes? What happened to your eyes? I took a picture with my teacher. I took a picture with my teacher. I will send my picture to you. I will send my picture to you. What happened here? What happened here? Can you pour some water for me? Can you pour some water for me? I'm here for my friend. I'm here for my friend. I will be by your side. I will be by your side. They were very unhappy. They were very unhappy. I was born in New York. I was born in New York. I read about that. I read about that. I need you by my side. I need you by my side. I thought about it day and night. I thought about it day and night. I will not sell my car. I will not sell my car. Whose cars are these? Whose cars are these? The cats purr when they are happy. The cats purr when they are happy. She speaks Spanish fluently. She speaks Spanish fluently. You have not answered my question. You have not answered my question. I can't pay rent this month. I can't pay rent this month.